Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it was inspired by Freakmo's scaled latex tutorial. I'll link her video down below. I absolutely love her videos. They're very informational. She's an amazing special effects artist. This look is very quick, easy, and affordable, which is awesome. So if you guys are interested in how I got this ugly burn and disgusting blister, just keep on watching. For starters, you're going to be needing some brushes, preferably some cheap old ones, some liquid latex, fake vampire blood. My favorite coagulated blood to use is from Bed Night. This stuff is awesome. And also using my CC Beauty Flash palette along with the Morphe 35B palette. You're also going to need some Vaseline and a little syringe so that we can inject the Vaseline into our nasty blister. What I'm doing right now, I'm just grabbing a makeup wipe and removing the makeup I have on the left side of my face, simply because when I add the liquid latex, I want it to adhere to the skin pretty well. Prolong the wear for the liquid latex. Right now I'm just grabbing a little thin pencil brush and I just grabbed a reddish tone eyeshadow and I'm just mapping out kind of where I want my burns to be at. I'm taking some liquid latex. Make sure you're not allergic to liquid latex before using it. I would recommend putting it on the back of your hand before doing a big application on your face. In Freakmo's video, she only did 2 layers of latex, but I wanted to make sure that it lasted for a little bit because I wanted to go around and scare people. So I did at least 5 layers of liquid latex. Make sure to wear clothes that you really don't care about, because once liquid latex is on your clothes, it's not coming out. Trust me, last year I got liquid latex all over my jeans and they were ruined. You can also speed up the drying process by using a blow dryer, but I couldn't find mine. I think I left mine in Denver last time I was over there, so I was just fanning my face. Liquid latex dries clear. Very carefully without hurting myself, I am using some very sharp tweezers just to kind of lift up the little layer of liquid latex, and I'm just gonna rip it apart. It's very sticky, and what I like to do, I stretch it out. I kind of stick it to my skin. It gives it a wrinkly effect, which I like. It looks like my skin has melted. Very carefully grab some scissors and you can cut the excess latex off, but please make sure you don't cut your skin or anything like that. You always want to be very careful handling anything sharp around your face. I'm just going to continue this process until I get the look that I'm going for. I'm making a small hole where I want my blister to be, but I'm not going to stretch it out. Using the syringe, I'm going to be going into the Vaseline. I just want the Vaseline to be airy so that it is easier to work with. This is a new technique that I learned from Freakmo. Once you have the Vaseline, make sure to wipe the syringe with a makeup wipe just to remove the excess product. I'm using the back of the brush to be able to make a little pocket, and I'm going to be lifting it up so that it's easier for me to inject the Vaseline into my little pocket. This is so satisfying to see. I don't know, it just looks so cool. I'm going over the little hole with some liquid latex just to hopefully prevent it from coming out, and also from the sides to prevent it from lifting. Here I'm doing the same technique as before, stretching it out, sticking it with the skin around, and I just love the effect that it gives. And I'm just playing around with the latex, trying to create some extra wrinkles, sticking everything together to get what I'm looking for. To get rid of the shine, to make it more like human skin, I'm just applying some translucent powder. This is the Airspun translucent powder. Going into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm just using some red eyeshadow, lightly dusting it all over the face to create some irritation. And then I'm going to go in with darker eyeshadows to add some depth and some more detail. I want to make this look fresh and disgusting. I should have used a reference picture, but I was just having a lot of fun just kind of creating my own look. But if you don't have a weak stomach, I recommend looking up a real photo of a scalp burn to get the best realistic look. You don't want to drench this in fake blood because you're gonna cover up all the hard work that you did. In parts that I believe that I had a heavy hand in, I just take a makeup wipe and kind of smooth it out. Next, I am taking the Benign Thick Blood, and I'm just taking this little pencil brush. I'm going in with small amounts of blood and using some small strokes just in the areas that I think the blood would really look good in. And this is pretty much the end step. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it's helpful for someone out there. If you do end up creating this look, please tag me on your pictures. I will link my Instagram down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you want to see more from me. And I hope you have a great rest of your week.